Hello friends. So today we'll talk about the application characteristics of machine NC application where NC is most appropriate. It is used for batch production, repeat orders, complex part geometries. Much metal needed to be removed from the starting of the part. Many separate machining operation on the part. The part is expensive. Advantage of NC, you can see non-productive time is reduced, that is setup time, greater accuracy and repeatability, lower scrap rate, inspection requirements are reduced, more complex part geometries are possible, engineering changes are easier to make, simple fixtures are required, shorter lead time, which is important, reduced part inventory and less floor space, operator skill level requirements are reduced. Some disadvantage of NC: higher investment cost. CNC machines are more expensive, higher maintenance effort. CNC machines are more technical, sophisticated. Part programming should like need for skill level, time investment for each new part, and higher utilization is required. सभी फायदा है, otherwise it is wastage. As you can see, the NC position system here. Typical motor and displacement in an NC positioning system for one linear axis. It is shown. You can see the tool motor work table. For expire capability, the apparatus would be piggybacked and on top of a second perpendicular axis. Analysis of positioning of NC system. Two type of NC position system: open loop and closed loop. Open loop क्या होता है? No feedback to verify that the actual position achieved is the desired position. Closed loop में क्या है? Uses feedback measurement to confirm that the final position is the specified position. Precision in NC position अगर हम बात करें तो थ्री मेजर्स: कंट्रोल, रेजोल्यूशन, एक्यूरेसी, रिपीटेबिलिटी, ये सभी होते हैं वहाँ पे. Here you can see the open loop motion control system. Tapping motor, work part, work table, work head, linear motion of the table, rotation of lead screw. It operates without verifying that the actual position achieved when the move in the desired position. An open loop position system typically uses a stepping motor to rotate the lead screw. A stepping motor is driven by a series of electrical pulses which are generated by the MCU in an NC system. Each pulse causes the motor to rotate a fraction of one revolution called the step angle. The possible step angles must be consistent with the following relationship. As you can see, alpha is equal to 360 by ns. Alpha क्या है? Step angle degree. N क्या है? Number of step angles for the motor, which must be an integer, right? The angle although which the motor shaft rotates is given by m is equal to np alpha. As you can see, the control pulses are transmitted from the pulse generator at a certain frequency, which drives the work table at a corresponding velocity of feed rate in the direction of the lead screw axis. The rotation speed of the lead screw depend on the frequency of the pulse train as follows. You can see the formula, where capital N is the lead screw rotation speed, revolution per minute. F is pulse train frequency, हर्ट्ज में है, पल्स पर सेकंड कह सकते हो. स्मॉल एन एस क्या है? स्टेप्स पर रेवोल्यूशन और pulse per revolution, or two axis table with continuous path control. The relative velocities of the axis are coordinated to achieve the desired travel most direction. The table travel speed direction of lead screw axis is determined by the rotational speed as follows, where VR is table travel speed, table feed rate, mm मिनट में, या फिर देखें कैपिटल क्या है? लीड स्क्रू रोटेशन स्पीड, P क्या है? लीड स्क्रू पिच, mm revolution. The required pulse train frequency drive the table at a specific linear travel rate can be obtained by combining question 6.16, 6.17 and rearranging to solve frequencies. You can see the formula. ठीक है, तो ओपन तक आज खत्म बंद कराया अपन ने.